Everything you see here is already gone.
This is urgent. I need help. There's an injured lion. It's covered in spikes. It can't move.
Search and rescue. What's your emergency? Copy that.
Coordinates received. Dispatching rescue unit now.
The coordinates match the eastern savanna zone.
If the lion is really covered in sea urchins, we'll need protective gear and medical equipment.
What's the condition?
A lion covered in dense sea urchins. Remove carefully, no mistakes.
First aid ready.
Rope kit secured. Power tools checked. Ropes and medical kits secured.
Confirmed. Everyone aboard. Let's move out.
We have visual on the objective. Preparing for approach. Advise status.
Careful. Maintain the flow rate, keep it steady.
Temperature is holding, moving to the flank now.
Easy now, he seems calm. Keep the pressure steady.
Gauge is holding at 40 psi.
Make sure it covers the base of the spines. Ready, start slow. Ready, start slow. Ready, start slow.
Pour it slowly.
Pour it slowly. Pour it slowly.
Monitor the pressure. We can't risk further injury.
Roger that. The spines are still embedded, sir. It's not working.
Pressure holding steady at 40 psi.
We're still not getting full extraction. Increase the rotation speed.
I'm at maximum pressure, Doctor. It's useless. They won't budge.
We have good attachment. The line is stable.
Confirmed.
Suction pressure looks optimal on this section.
Careful with the scoop angle. Easy now, slide it under there.
Got it. Bring the basin here.
Basin here. Steady, steady, steady.
Tilting now. Clear drop.
Good, let's get the next section.
You're doing so well, big guy.
Almost done, nice and clean now.
What in the world? Oh no. Buddy, what happened to you? I need an ambulance for my dog. It's urgent. He's covered in sea urchins, hundreds of them.
They're stranded on the ridge, near the waterfall. He's losing a lot of blood. Please hurry.
Alpha team, confirm distress signal. Let's move. Grab the trauma kits.
This is the critical zone. I want teams sweeping this sector within the hour.
Copy that. Marking the grid reference now.
Base, this is Rescue 3. We are kitted up and ready to deploy. ETA 5 minutes. We have green light on the drone.
Batteries connected, generator is online.
Final check on medical supplies, moving out in 5.
Base, this is SAR-1. We are en route to the coordinates.
Copy that, 1. ETA is 15 minutes.
We are approaching the target location now. Have the medical team standing by at the windmill. Control, this is SAR Unit 4. We have a visual on the target near the windmill at grid reference Delta 9er. ETA 5 minutes.
Stretcher team on the right. Securing the area now. Careful with the spines.
Control, this is Sierra 1. We have the subject K9, stable but severe injuries, requesting immediate veterinary assistance and transport.
I've got a pulse, it's faint but steady.
Good. Hang in there, boy. Start the mist, very gentle.
Misting now. Check the gauge.
Pressure is stable. Keep the pressure steady.
It's holding at 5 psi.
Easy now, you're doing well.
It's not working, they're stuck tight.
Try increasing the pressure slowly, be careful. Hang in there, buddy, we've got you.
Are we making any progress?
He's barely reacting.
Try increasing the rotation speed slightly.
It's not working, the spines are too deep.
Try increasing the pressure slightly, but watch the dog.
Urchins are releasing, heart rate is improving.
Just a little more. Easy now.
You're doing so well. Just a little longer, we'll get you fixed up. Almost there, easy now.
You're being very brave.
Good dog, hang in there. We've got you. Easy now, steady.
It's moving. It's actually moving.
He's clear. Well done.
Look how clean he is getting. He is such a good boy. We got them all off. All the urchins are gone. He's safe now. He's enjoying this bath so much.
There you go, all clean now.
You were so brave out there. Good boy.
I can't thank you enough. You found them.
We're just glad everyone is safe, sir.
If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit that subscribe button right here.
Thank you so much. Safe travels.
We're glad we could help. Take care now.
Covered in thousands of sea urchins.
Understood. Send the helicopter to the northern sector of the savannah.
We are deploying now.
Scramble the team. Incident 404, leopard extraction. Sea urchins confirmed. Let's move.
Copy that. Moving to the bay.
The coordinates are locked. We're looking at a leopard covered in these clustered sea urchins. We need 2 teams for extraction via the northern route. Gear up. We move in 5.
This is a high-priority extraction. Remember the tranquilizers and the spine forceps. We move fast.
All right, team, remember the objective. We have a leopard covered in urchins. Minimize stress, prioritize extraction.
Harness checked, leader. Ready for deployment. Harness secure, moving to transport. Oxygen tanks pressurized, radio check green.
Eyes on the target. Watch out for those urchins, they're everywhere.
The
The chopper's waiting. Secure your harnesses. We're wheels up in 2.
Coordinates confirmed at Sector Gamma. We are 5 minutes out, preparing for immediate deployment upon arrival.
I have eyes on the target. It's the Leopard, covered in...
Base, this is Sierra 1. I have eyes on the target.
It's the Leopard, completely covered in sea urchins. We need immediate extraction. The animal is barely breathing.
Urchins, near the acacia. We are proceeding with the landing.
Stand by for descent. Harness check complete. Let's move, move, move. Is immobilized and completely covered in clustered sea urchins.
This is much worse than we thought. Just take your time. We can't rush this.
They're still attached. The spray isn't working. We need to stop.
It's no use. The spray isn't working. They are holding firm.
We need another approach. It's getting weaker.
Steady now, keep the flow even.
The foam is expanding well. Check the breathing again.
It's shallow but steady. Breathing is shallow but steady. Keep the foam coming. Covering the neck now.
Make sure we get under the spines here. Okay, applying more to the tail section. Breathing is stable. No change, the spines are embedded. We can't scrub any harder.
It's not working, the motor is straining.
They won't budge. We're only hurting it.
The smoke isn't having any effect. We need another approach.
This is worse than we thought.
It's not working. The urchins won't let go. We need another approach.
It's useless, they are still attached.
The smoke has no effect. We have to try something else before it's too late.
It's useless, they are still attached.
The smoke has no effect. We have to try something else before it's too late.
Keep pouring. Let's see if it penetrates the clusters.
It's sizzling, but they're still attached. Are they loosening at all?
Not yet, still holding firm.
Watch the sizzling near the spine.
I have this section clear. Hand me the box.
He seems to be relaxing. The breathing is stronger.
Good. One less weight to carry.